Where her wings at?
Stop! They fell off and I can't put them back on.
Oh.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas 3/4 because vlogging during the work week is just hard. But yeah, tune in. Y'all man that y'all starve? Cause mine don't. Mine don't. It's Christmas time and I'm losing my mind. You heard that song?
You made it up?
No. It's a real song.
You missed the spot up top.
Look at all the fluffing I did while he didn't help.
Somebody gotta play music.
I was playing music.
Why you fluffing trees, if you know it's me.
I'm gonna press the key and then you make the sound of the press. Ready?
You talking about my eyes closed?
No. Like you gotta sing it.
Okay.
Come on, you gotta get higher. Come on.
Alright, I can't go there. Alright, here we go. Your turn. You gotta go lower. You gotta go lower. You gotta go lower.
I can't go between them. Why you gonna give me this one? You want these?
You're done.
You broke the tree.
The festive state. What up, guys?
We have lights.
We have light.
Oh, don't scream.
We have
Why
light.
is he screaming at y'all?
We have light. Excuse me.
My mama gave me this. My mama gave me this.
I won't talk about it. We definitely bought that on sale. Yeah, beautiful. We bought them.
Yeah. We bought these last year. I think it was Target that we got. Yeah, Target. We got these on sale. So we're gonna go with these.
Ooh, 3 years together coming up next year. What are you thankful for from this relationship so far?
Not these Christmas lights. But I am most thankful for our growth in communication. We are not perfect, and we are always a work in progress.
Taylor butt perfect.
But I feel like, huh? What?
I said Taylor butt perfect.
You're funny.
That's perfect butt girl.
But I feel like we choose each other every day and choose to continually work on our relationship and our communication to gradually and continuously get better.
Yeah.
But I always enjoy our laughs too. That's another one of my favorites. We having a blast. We could be doing nothing and be having a blast.
Sometimes life can be difficult, dating can be difficult, but we figure it out and make it make sense every day.
And that's on wood.
Mary had a little lamb.
And period. Okay.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Tequila.
What is coming next?
It comes with hooks.
They already hooked up?
No.
That's so ghetto.
I'm trying to find where the hooks is.
Do we got a bottle hooks?
Oh no, they ain't in the bottom. They're in the bottom. Oh, this. In that one.
I Alright, they're about to break. That's not good.
These are non-shatterproof. We're not we're not to that point where we buy glass, so we don't do that yet.
She said it's not shatterproof.
That's why we don't buy glass.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, I am. Okay, do you want to put the ornaments up, or do you want to? Which one?
I was waiting for your question. You only asked. You only said one job.
Cause you just look so happy and smiling at me. I feel like I've heard you sing it.
Yeah, let's do an age check. See if I'm dating someone who grew up how I grew up. I'm just a bill. Yes, I'm only a bill. And I'm sitting on a Capitol Hill.
Okay, what's next?
The wheels on the bus go
round and round,
and
round and round, and round. No, that was that. It wasn't that until we got later down the road. You start beating with the pencils.
If we can. Hey. So, what day? You ready?
Yeah.
What day do you take down the Christmas tree?
Valentine's Day.
You crazy as hell. You crazy. You wrong. No.
How you gonna tell me?
New Year's Eve.
Why? We're outside for New Year's Eve.
We inside. That's what's wrong with y'all young folk now. Y'all outside. Y'all need to be inside.
New Year's Eve.
Outside ain't free.
My hair is getting done. My nails are getting done. I'm shaping my legs. I'm trying to we at Total Wine trying to make sure we got the champagne to pop at midnight.
Who pop champagne? That's how I know you young.
Or tequila.
We popping tequila bottles. You feel me?
I've been with you.
After we take off these ornaments and put this stuff back in the attic. We ain't even got no attic.
I just mouthed it too.
Oh, dry hate tail.
That's funny. But New Year's, and then we trying to cook something.
Black eyed peas and cabbage
and something green. Then we trying to clean the house. We can go into the house in a new year, and some of them girls be eating grapes under the table. They say that's how you come into the new year and be fighting back. But
eating grapes under the table?
Yeah, you ain't see that on TikTok?
We on two different sides of TikTok. I ain't never seen that.
Hey.
I'm still stuck on TikTok where people putting their dog on cell phones on the ceiling.
I want to do that. We gotta do that. Oh, we're gonna do it right above the Christmas tree and run around the Christmas tree and stuff.
I can try.
Okay. I'm in the rain.
I wonder why she said she can't stay in the rain. Rain good for the grass. So she don't want the ecosystem to thrive because she don't like the rain. When she say, beep, beep, who got the keys to the Jeep? Meow. That's hilarious. Boy, I thought somebody was knocking on the door.
They sound like somebody was knocking her head. Look, it's the ice machine.
Alrighty, this is the last.
Oh, then you gotta put the angel on.
This is the last ball. I'll let you do the honors. Ow.
Give it back. Redo.
This is the last ball on the tree. Please don't drop this one, because that one shattered. That one shatters, and that one will shatter.
And can you put the angel on too? My mama got me that. Hey.
I ain't know her dress was about to go up. What her wings at?
Stop! They fell off and I can't put them back on.
Oh, what? You funny.
The battery died, but they put the angel on the tree. Yeah, and that is our super short show. Thanks for joining us on day.
Why are we leaning to the side like that?
Thanks for joining us on day 4 or 5 of Vlogmas, and come back for tomorrow's. And yeah, you ready?
Alright.
We're gonna airbend. 3.
Oh,
You strong.